Right, good morning guys. I get asked this all the time about lures for perch. What lures do you use for perch, guys? You know what I mean? What's your favourite lure for perch, this, that and other? Right, so what I would say is all these lures that are on here are capable of catching perch, do you know what I mean? We've got some like small grub tail lures, some little spinners like a western shad tease, some other like paddle tail type lures, you know what I mean? I mean, these kind of things, when it gets really cold, are pretty deadly. So you get like a Ned rig like that with what they call a Ned head. So it's got, rather than a jig head, it's got a flat bottom. And that sits on the bottom. And with those like that's like a lobworm. So that just sits on the bottom, and you just twitch it slowly, and it just things like that. You know what I mean? And they are deadly when it's really cold, just moving them really slow. But there's always a thing as if you're not getting bites on stuff like that. I mean, they've got some pretty substantial jig heads and Ned head rigs and big hooks on and stuff like that. So as you can see, always good to have a selection. So you've got them big hooks like that. You know, some days you won't catch on them. So just scaling down and down, look, you know what I mean? I mean, that one there is tiny with a little red rubber maggot on. You know, but then you've got all these kind of like little grub type lures. Like those little like vibro worms, look, on like little micro jig heads, tiny relaxed shad. Some more of those worms, look what I was on about, which are them, but just in a smaller version. Same as that, that's a Predator Lures, like type lure. I can't think what they call them, craws or whatever they call them. That's a bit of a smaller version, that's an S Pro one. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, if you're not catching and you just want to get a few bites and just go like down your local canal and catch a few, you know, smaller type perch, don't be afraid to scale right down, you know, and scale your hooks and stuff right down. So if you're fishing, say them, you know, be fishing on a 5 or 6 pound fluoro leader to try and get perch, you know what I mean? Don't be afraid to drop down with these to like a, you know, 4, 3 pound fluoro hook lengths and some really little jig heads, look, little tiny little, just like little lures like that, little worms or grub tail type things like that, and they will always get you a bite, even probably when it's really hard. You know, like I say, that's just a little red fake maggot on that, so it shows you how small that is. You know what I mean? But they all work. Yeah, so, you know, maybe start with your big stuff, but don't be afraid to scale down, guys, because the smaller stuff definitely have the day. Ta-da.